In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in DeepSeek AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask a question, read the results, keep the conversation going, and review everything you've explored, all within a single, simple chat. First, open DeepSeek AI. You can use your preferred device and browser or the app if you have it. Once it's open, head to the main chat page. This is the home base where you'll see a large conversation area, and at the bottom, a message input box waiting for your question. Click the message input box to activate it. This tells DeepSeek you're ready to type. Now, type the topic or question you want to search. Be as clear and specific as you can. For example, instead of history, try, "Give me a brief overview of the causes of the French Revolution." Adding context, constraints, or a goal, like "in simple terms," with examples, or "focused on beginners," helps the AI tailor the answer to what you need without changing the basic process. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Send button to submit your question. DeepSeek will process your query and generate a response. Give it a moment, then read the AI response from top to bottom. Notice the key points, definitions, examples, and any suggested steps. If something seems unclear or too broad, that's normal. You can guide the AI to refine the result. To go deeper, ask follow-up questions for more details. You can say things like, "Explain that part more simply," "Compare option A and option B," or "Show me a short summary." You don't need to restate the entire topic, just reference what you want clarified. Follow-ups are where the conversation shines, letting you narrow in on the exact information you're after. As you continue, scroll through the chat to review results. This running history lets you revisit earlier explanations, compare answers, and see how your questions evolved. If you find a particularly helpful section, you can return to it later, and you can keep building on the same thread so the AI remembers the context of your previous messages. That's the whole workflow. Open DeepSeek AI, go to the main chat page, click the input box, type your question, send it, read the response, ask follow-ups, and scroll through the chat to review. With a clear question and a couple of targeted follow-ups, you'll get focused, useful answers quickly and confidently.